what is more important in communications? Everything that you see has to go through communications. The type of student that should take this class are students that are artistic, students that are creative, students that like to work with their hands, students that are really into media, whether that be TV or radio or internet. It doesn't have to be your major.
I was originally an English major, but I decided when I saw this major that it sounded very interesting and it sounded more my speed, like something I wanted to do.
I took digital imaging in high school, and I know they go hand in hand.
One of my friends who's in this class, she took this class just as an elective, and she's found it to be very helpful and a lot of fun.
We start with theoretical concepts, and then we teach students how to use software.
We learn Photoshop, InDesign.
They learn how to use podcasting equipment, how to use sight, sound, and motion through software and hardware. So you might be using cameras or audio equipment to create podcasts. All of these tools come together to do editing and different artistic projects.
If you see some of the stuff we do, it might look easy when the project is done, but like we always say when we get to the end of it and we look at it, we say how much hard work and effort goes into it. So the reward at the end of it is the satisfaction of knowing that we could do something like that.
Once they get a hang of it, they totally light up, and they're very excited to learn that they too can make stunning and creative projects. Just many different industries and jobs that students could find themselves in.
It's going to help me a lot when I pursue a career, because companies will see that I understand video editing and they'll hire me over someone who doesn't have that